Welcome to another quick tutorial. I'll show you how to create this pattern. Create an sphere. With the eraser tool, hold Alt to delete half of the sphere. Now, create a rectangle. With the selection tool, hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Align them. Ctrl+D to create more copies. Open the Symbols panel. Select all rectangles. Ctrl+G to group them. Drag the group to the Symbols panel. Select your half circle. Go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. Map Art. In Symbol, select the symbol you just created. Scale to fit. Check Invisible Geometry. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Ungroup. Ungroup again. Delete the part that you don't want. Open the Pathfinder. Merge. I'll change the color to a black and blue gradient that will give the illusion of shadows. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Align them. Create another copy. Group all spheres together. Go to Object, Pattern, Make. Select Hex by column. Adjust your pattern. Create a square. Open the Swatches panel, and fill the square with your new pattern. Thanks for watching. Please, consider subscribing to the channel, and like the video to help me out.